If you have dry skin, so this video is for you. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Neetu Singh. How are you all? So today we are bringing up DIY pack, only two ingredients. So first that is honey and second one is turmeric, muscat turmeric. Okay, so we will make pack from the mixture, only two ingredients. So first that is honey and second one is kasturi turmeric. So you know benefit of kasturi turmeric and honey. Kasturi turmeric like brighten your skin tone, and honey is provide your glow. So let's get started video. For all, we will take honey 1 tablespoon and kasturi haldi we will take only pinch of. Okay, so this is, we do both of these in us. You have to apply for on your face, wash it after 10 to 15 minutes, so you will get a lot of benefit in your dry skins. By applying on my face, see this upward direction I am applying. So after 10 minutes, rinse in your face lukewarm water. So can you see my skin was glowing? Did you like the video? Don't forget like, share, subscribe. So see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.